What's going on, guys? 3 tips to having $400 days in MCA. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin Springer, and up front, I'm going to be upfront with you guys. You're not going to like this video. You're not going to like it. You're not going to like it because you're going to be like, oh, Justin, come on, I've heard all this before. But I'm going to tell you right now, you got to do it. You have to do it, okay? And if you just listen to this video carefully, I might even throw in little tips, okay? But 3 tips to having $400 days in MCA. So really quickly, guys, I got to show you something, okay? Here we go. Let's get started, okay? So look, obviously to get $400 a day, right, you need 5 sales a day. 5 sales a day. As you can see right here, 5 sales for all on the second. Look, all came in on the second. You're going to be like, oh, but Justin, this one says as earned, so you only got $10. Okay, well, you know what I mean? Sue me, all right? Everything else is whatever. But you know what I'm getting at. You need 5 sales a day in order to have $400 days, right? Okay, but here's the mistake that all you guys are starting to make, okay? Do you really think that all these people just signed up automatically the very first time that I sent them something? No. No, I mean, that's the mistake that we're having. We're thinking, man, if I could just find that Facebook ad, if I could just do that. Now, don't get me wrong. Will some people sign up the very first time you send them something? Yes. Okay. But here's the thing. The idea, let's just be on the real tip, right? Because if it was that easy or like that simple to have $400 days, everybody in MCA would be doing it. Okay. But here's the thing. You're letting your foot off of the gas. You really are. You're going to be like, no, I'm not. I swear to God, I'm working hard. You're working hard and you're spinning your wheels, but man, you're not going anywhere. Okay. So check this out. All right. Let me explain this to you. Let me break it down. Number 1, pick a platform. A platform. A platform. As in one. Now you're going to be like, wait a minute, Justin. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, 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 no. I've been told that I could do 2, 3, 4, and you can. You can. Whatever you can do comfortably, okay? But wherever you can spend most of your time. And here's the reason why I say most of your time. Because, guys, let me tell you something. Some of you have full-time jobs. You get busy. You got kids. You got life, okay? I don't want you to stay strapped up on the computer or on your phone all damn day and just beat yourself up, okay? I don't want that to happen to you. And in fact, it's almost like bad for your business because it kind of takes you out of the game, okay? And so I don't want that to happen to you, all right? So what I'm trying to say for right now is pick a platform, or you can pick 2 as long as you can produce content daily. Let me show you something really quick. See, in our training session, look, we got Facebook ads, Instagram, Craigslist, YouTube, offline, right? But I still tell people, hey, listen, you only want to pick about 1 platform. Now, look, here's the other thing, guys. Now, if you're saying, Justin, I can do Facebook all day and I can pass out some flyers on the weekends, that's fine. If you say, hey, Justin, I'm a Facebook and Instagram fanatic, okay, that's cool. Justin, you might say, Justin, I'm on Twitter all day long. Okay, well, then stay on Twitter. That's all I'm trying to say, guys, is pick the platform you feel most comfortable with. Pick the opportunity that you feel most comfortable with, and let's start there. Because if you start going crazy and going all the way around and just doing too many things at one time, you're not going to be producing results, okay? So, number 2, get in front of new people daily. This is why I said pick a platform, because sometimes it's hard for you to go and master how to get in front of Facebook people, and then master how to get in front of Instagram people, and then master how to go and get in front of Twitter people, and keeping up with content on that. Like, I hear some people, no offense if this is you, I'm sorry, but I really get emails about this stuff, right? They're like, oh man, you know, I'm doing Craigslist, I'm doing Facebook, I'm doing Twitter. I think I'm going to start a Pinterest account. Really? A Pinterest account? A Pinterest account? Okay, cool. Whatever you want to do. I'm not saying you can't make sales from Pinterest, but I'm saying, guys, do you know anything about Pinterest? Do you know anything about Pinterest? Exactly. I mean, yes, people can make money with Pinterest, but really those are like blog sites, guys. So what I'm saying is you want to get in front of new people daily. Now, see, here's the idea of getting in front of people daily, right? you have what we call a pipeline, right? And what you want to do is stuff that pipeline, right? Stuff that pipeline each and every single day. So now you got to become very, very creative. You got to either run your Facebook ads correctly, which you can go watch my last video about 3 tips on how to make your video go viral, right? You also, on your own Facebook page, asking people to share your stuff. If you're on Instagram, you got to get people to tag your stuff. See, these are nuggets. These are nuggets that you need to hear, right? You got to find a way. You got to be creative to get in front of more and more and more and more and more people. Because yes, we can sit there and say it's truly a numbers game, and it really is, but also you're building your pipeline, guys. You're stacking it. This is what I'm getting at when I sit there and said, do you think all these people just signed up today because I just talked to him? Do you think this guy Ezekiel, you think I just messaged him today and he just said, yeah, I think I'm going to do this, and then Tanya, and then Alyssa, and then all these people, and well, I don't want to call their names out like that, but at the end of the day, well, their names are right there. But anyways, they're MCA associates. We're all MCA associates. Let's just have fun, right? But at the end of the day, do you think each and every one of them just said, hell yeah, man, you just talked to me 5 minutes ago, Justin, I think I'm going to do this? No. But if you pack up your pipeline enough, okay, you just boom, 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 just every day hitting it, every day getting in front of new people, guess what? It has no choice but to start to explode, and next thing you know, you're getting $400 days, $500 days, $1,000 days even, you know what I mean? All of a sudden, like on Fridays, I know one lady in our team, like, man, on Friday, she just goes boom, she goes berserk, because everybody that said they were going to sign up Friday, she just kills it. Me personally, I don't get that many people signing up on Friday, but she kills it, man. But at the end of the day, you got to pack your pipeline, okay? Last but not least, follow up. Okay, I know this is a big one, but this kind of goes right along with getting in front of people daily, and this is another way that you get these 5 sales. Like I said, do you think this guy just magically said, hey, I think I'm going to wake up and sign up? Yeah, in a way he did, but I followed up with him first. Say, hey, you ready to get started? Hey, what's going on? Hey, are you skeptical? What's the deal, right? And when I started talking to all these people, they were like, yeah, let's go ahead and do this, Justin. Yeah, let's go ahead. Because here's what I try to tell my team, right? You want to keep this business super simple. Why do you want to keep it very simple? Because let's face it, everybody and their mama can get $40. You know what? I used to be like, I don't want to offend nobody. That's not nice. There's some people out there hurting, and there is, and I'm sorry for that. But at the end of the day, guys, I used to be 15 years old, and I could go scrape up $30, and I'm not talking about from my mom, okay? I'm talking about I could go scrape up $30 somehow, some way, whether it was selling candy, asking my friends to borrow it, whatever the case may be. And you might be like, but Justin, that's only $30. Well, let me tell you something. I'm sure if I could get to 30, I could probably get to 40, right? The thing about it is everybody and their mama has $40. The thing about it is they don't want to cough up the $40 yet with you. Why is that? Well, it could be a lot of things. Maybe they don't trust you, right? Maybe they're just thinking about it. Do I really want to do this? Am I really going to be successful with it? Maybe they have some concerns that you haven't alleviated yet. Maybe they're just skeptical because, let's face it, right? Whenever we get to talking about money online, instantly we're thinking BS, BS, BS. Some of you even saw this video, right? $400 a day, BS. $400 a day, BS, right? That's what we think in our minds. So you have to alleviate that. And I know your next questions are going to be like, well, how do you do that? Well, you follow up with them, man. Honestly, you follow up with them. Ask them if they're skeptical. Ask them if there's anything that you can do to alleviate some of their questions, right? Some of their concerns. Now, here's the thing. Now, are some people going to just, not answer you back, not do anything? Of course, that's just going to happen. Well, that's why we're doing number 1 and number 2. Okay, the number 3 is to, all right, look, so here's the thing, guys. Let's break it down really quick. You're picking a platform that you can master, right? That you can master by getting people to share your stuff and putting new content out and getting in front of new people on a daily basis, right? Once you do that, you're considering to get in front of people on a daily basis and packing your pipeline, all right? And then you're following up. So once you pick a platform and you get in front of all these new people, well, now you're just filling up that pipeline. The follow-up part is just taking the people out of the pipeline who are really serious, and then we're turning them into sales. Do you get that? Do you get, hold on, do you get that? So I'm picking a platform to start with, right? I'm going to master it. I'm going to get in front of new people daily so I can fill up this pipeline. And then I'm going to follow up with those people in my pipeline to find the ones that are going to make my $400 day. Do you get that? And that is how you do it, guys. I mean, unless you guys have a viral video that is just going crazy, or you have a video on your Instagram, or you have a video on your Facebook that's just going crazy, or you have an ad that is going crazy, then these are the things that you need to do. It's pretty simple. It's just 1, 2, 3. Pick a platform that you can master, and I hear me say master, right? And then you just attack it. All right? So, and that's it, guys. And then just follow up. And that's how you get to your $400 days, okay? Now then, if you need some help with all this, and you're more than welcome to get training with us, you get all this training right here, and we can help you with the platform and how you get in front of more people, whether it's offline, YouTube, Craigslist, Instagram, Facebook ads, or even Facebook training itself. Just let me know. The link is right below, all right? Have a good one, guys. Let's get it.